The rivers of light, and look at this. This is a really active guy. Isn't that amazing, that range of movement? As you can see, it's going to be a very lively show with lively characters like this. And we've got another feathered friend from the parade. You can see he's also a really active fellow too, and look at that beautiful plumage. Isn't that gorgeous? And you can see it's a puppet. We'll kind of zoom in. There we are. We have an extreme close-up. And you can see him in the rivers of light too. And look at this. We've got another friend over here. Look at that plumage. You can see from looking at this what an amazing parade this is going to be on the water. Imagine it all lit up. It's going to be gorgeous. And here we have some more friends from the parade. We've got a tall one right here, a towering giraffe. Oh, and look what we've got over there. And with horns.
There is something about you I can never forget the way you take to my heart. I didn't try to pretend to you.
A little bit closer. There we go. They have horns made out of keratin. It's the same material as our hair, and our fingernails are a lot tougher. Also notice on the islands a few pink-backed pelicans, and they'll get a pink color on their back during mating season, usually found in a pod of about 10 to 20 pairs. And also a white-breasted cormorant perched upon the log. Surprisingly, hippos can be quite fast on land or gnu for the grunting sounds that they can make, like how a cow, like these Ankoli cattle, like to moo. Wildebeest, they like to gnu. Oh, looks like further back on our left we'll see a pew. Looks like Patterson's eland. They're one of the largest antelope in Africa, about 7 feet long, and they can weigh over 2,000 pounds. Despite that size, they're very athletic and can jump about with a group of these flamingo referred to as a flamboyant. We're going to continue on into some mud wallows. Animals like to bathe in the mud on occasion, help them to stay cool when it's very hot out. They're hearing to figure out what is going on around them. But yeah, you'll see 2 baby rhinos.